One of the special things that we offer at Auritas is a complimentary data volume management assessment. So what does that provide? The key thing that provides is a look in specifically to the customer's system that will then provide what data do you have? What's the size of the data? How long have you been running the data? And the output is basically, where can we offer you savings? So what does that process look like? Right. So the first thing that happens in that process is the customer will run typically a fairly straightforward DB02 transaction, right? So that's an SAP transaction that a basis resource can run. Also, if you're doing any existing archiving jobs, or if there's an S4 readiness report, those are some of the things that you can provide to us that allow us to then take that and compile the data and give you the result back. One really important point to this is we're not getting any of your specific identifiable data, right? The data that comes across as part of the DB02 report is table size, table name, right? So nothing that really is identifiable or concerning from a corporate standpoint. But again, what we're able to do with that is then, again, understanding what modules that you're running and the time that you've been running them, what industry you're in, based on our 20 plus year history in performing this archiving work, we're able to then look at it and then using industry standards of what is the residency period, what is the retention period, what is the potential savings. A typical example that we see from companies, if you haven't been doing archiving, is typically some degree of 50 to 70% savings on your sizing. And again, that cuts across index files, database files, a couple of those components. So again, a pretty easy process and a great way to at least get started in understanding what potential savings that you can have on your database.